My name is Ridge Chaser, and I'm a North American racer in the motorsports subset known as Touge. This is my journey through the elusive and captivating corner of this underground automotive world. Today on Touge Attack, we chase down a Subaru WRX on the uphill using the Turbo Civic and NB Miata. But first, I let the local driver known as Zeff drive the NB to show its capability.
But I'm local to this road specifically, which is a very technical road. A lot of back-to-back nice cliffside on the side, and then about a 300-foot drop on my right, which, you know, don't be intimidated by that or anything. Got a guardrail here or there. Once again, a lot of back-to-back turns. And then going from front-wheel drive to rear-wheel drive the same day. A little weird, but, you know, gotta make sure you're being able to do the correct driving technique. Got a biker on the side here. Luckily, I know this road by heart, which helps a lot, especially when battling. Got a lot of good encounters on this road. We've had multiple Shingo incidents. Big bump here. Avoid. Multiple Shingo instances that have happened with Civics and Miatas.
Wait, what do you mean Shingo incidents?
Oh, well, you know, maybe one back in the video we've had a little bit further up. We had 240s trying to crash in, and then actual Integra almost hitting my red EG about a year ago. But that's pretty crazy. All right, let's do this. Nice power band. Really smooth with the shifting, which is nice. Something for the oncoming traffic. There's open sections here, and then it goes straight to back-to-back hairpins. Turn here, take full racing line, double apex, nice camber here, really be able to maintain that speed.
Oh boy, this is a lead time stuff.
Yeah, luckily when you know the road that much, you don't need to look for cars. Full decreasing hairpin turn, leaving a lot of room for error, by the way. Might not look like it in footage, but look where you want to go, and you'll go. Light corner here. Really able to utilize locking up the brakes. Nice, this thing has an LSD, helps with maintaining that grip. Compared to my old 1.6, got a biker here. Go around it real quick. You know, lower that gear to make it look like they're not going very quick.
Yeah, because it's always a noise, right?
Yeah,
the
it's a noise of the tires. But that's a little quick technical section here, then it opens up. Got bikers again, just, you know, down or upshift, make it sound like you're not going fast. Luckily, this is a stock exhaust with just a aftermarket muffler.
Nani?
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the chase footage. Tune in Wednesday to witness the highly requested Honda Fit in action. I promise it's more than just a meme. And check out the Instagram for more of that Touge Battle content. Till next time, love your day.